Today the customer is come and pick up his brand new off-road trailer. The front car is Tank 300, which is orange color, and it is for the overlanding. The Tank is a really good car, and here you see our trailer is here. And our trailer is really rugged design, so you see from the top. Here is the top. This is a slope pop-up version. And let's take a look at the hitch area. So this is the hitch area, and the customer is using the European standard coupler. This is a default design for our domestic customer, and 2 safety chains and a manual brake, Anderson plug, 1000 jack there. So everything is managed in one place here, and you can see the connection way here. Down here you can see the connection here. And this is our here, this is the VIN number of ours. So customer always says, is this chassis hot dip galvanized? And this is hot dip galvanized. So the front toolbox here this way, and the trailer's frame material is the high strength steel. The skin of this trailer is the aluminum, aviation aluminum. So here, let's see here. Let's take a look at this way. So it's really unique while towing this trailer. It's stable, and we will take a look from the rear side here. Here we go. We can take a look at the chassis. Right now, the chassis, the independent suspension system, the previous. See the chassis and a water tank underneath. Yeah. 140 liters water tank underneath the trailer. And we can take a whole picture from this angle. njstar RV here. And also let's take a whole picture from this angle here. Okay, this is the overview of this brand new njstar trailer. The front car is a Tank 300. Thank you for watching.